Throughout the competitive sport of cricket, sledging has become a part and parcel of the game. Most teams prefer using mind games to get an edge over the opposition team. We know there are several one-off incidents like Sachin Tendulkar and Olonga, Prasad and Sohail. But of course, Sachin doesn't usually care when the bowler of the opposition team sledges him. He just focuses on his game. But there are a few players who people usually don't try to sledge because they know that if those players get riled up, they would turn on their beast mode and it would surely backfire. Today at Simply Chumma, we are here with a list of players that cricketers were or are afraid to sledge. Dennis Lillee, the most prolific fast bowler of all times. Lillee has been one of Australia's premium fast bowlers. He picked up 355 wickets at an average of 23 in tests. He was known as the player who would do anything to win. Most of the time, he was the one who would sledge. But if somehow someone sledged him, he would bowl the most deadliest bouncers that were aimed right at the skull of the batsman. Wahab Riaz. Wahab Riaz is a talented Pakistani bowler, but somehow he never always showed his potential. But when he got riled up because of a sledging incident or something like that, he would bowl like there was no tomorrow. There are several incidents like this in the PSL, but most important was his fiery spell against Australia in the World Cup. It was a clear example of his fierce nature. Viv Richards. In a county match in England, Greg Thomas was bowling to Richards and he got a few to whiz past the bat. After Richards played and missed another one, Thomas said to him, "It's red, it's round, now effing hit it." This obviously angered Richards, who proceeded to hit the next ball out of the ground. Richards retorted, "You know what it looks like, now go and get it." Richards played cricket at a time when fast bowlers were at their fiercest best, and most of the balls were directed towards your head or chest. But he never wore a helmet, and he usually never spoke much. He in fact answered most of the sledgers with his bat. Even the bully Australians decided to stop sledging him after a few years. Brian Lara. One more West Indian in this list. Brian Lara is calm and calculated, but when in song, he is an untamed beast. And if there is someone who sledges him, he unleashes that beast within, and boy, isn't that beast the most graceful. Remember the time when Pakistani spinner Kaneria sledged him? Lara just took him out of the attack in a single over. Yuvraj Singh. Another left-handed batsman gets a mention here, but this one is from India. Yuvraj Singh is easily the most elegant striker of the ball cricket has ever seen. His 12-ball 50 is still the fastest 50 in T20 internationals ever, which had the famous 6 sixes in an over. And that too was a culmination of a spat that he had with Flintoff in the previous over. The only difference between him and Lara is that he answers with both his mouth and the bat. Now that's a deadly combination. Mitchell Johnson. Once again an Australian fast bowler who finds a place in this list. Mitchell Johnson is one of the best pace bowlers cricket has ever seen. Like many Australians, Johnson too sledges a lot, but usually doesn't get sledged. But in the off case of him being sledged, Johnson uses all his power to bowl those toe-crushing yorkers or head-smashing bouncers. Javed Miandad. Javed Miandad is the greatest batsman Pakistan has ever produced. But he is one cricketer whose heart was on his sleeve. He immediately gave it back and he became the best version of himself when he got sledged or angry. But many never stopped sledging him because there was always the chance of getting an attacking player out, especially the Australians who used to sledge him a lot. Virat Kohli. Clark once told the Australian Cricket Board not to sledge Kohli. This was during India's tour of Australia. Kohli is one of the modern-day batting legends who's extremely passionate about the game, and he cannot control his emotions that easily. So it's rather easy to rile him up. But if he gets riled up, you will still see the classic cover drive. Just that the ball will reach the boundary 2 times faster. Even the West Indies, while touring in India, got a glimpse of why not to sledge or rile up Kohli the wrong way. One time, Dean Jones said, "Don't sledge Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni. It's like oxygen to them." And rightly so. What do you think of this video? Hope you enjoyed it. If yes, let us know in the comment section below. And of course, do press the like button and the share button. Subscribe to Simli Chumma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.